pretty shocking performance for a recent vice president.
How much of that do you think has to do with the impeachment process and how much his name was invoked in that?
Possibly some. I mean, I think that did cut into his, the main issue he's running on has been electability, that he could take down Trump, and I think some people have worries about that, but also just, I've been on the ground here in New Hampshire and in Iowa last week, and honestly, his stump speeches haven't been particularly great. They, were just a little rambling. His debate performances have been okay, but to the extent that matters, and that sort of retail politics side of things matters, it's been sort of underwhelming.
There's still a question of Democratic cohesiveness after Iowa, a great deal of party infighting, not only among the candidates, but with the Democratic National Committee as well. Caitlin, again, you're based in D.C. Just briefly, what are you hearing in terms of the party's ability to come together behind the event?